This dish was one I recently cooked on Saturday morning with James Martin, and it took the nation by storm. And I never expected the response that I received. I truly believe that 90% of great cooking is great produce and fantastic ingredients. It's really important. Brought with me today my own range of products. So here we have some silk sari wrapped spice boxes, 7 key spices that I use to make brilliant Indian food. And then we have some garam masala. This is my 15 spice garam masala. My grandfather's recipe dates back to 70 years. And my new launch is the magic masala. Now, all I can say about this is one magical seasoning. It tastes absolutely delicious because the chickens are left to forage in their natural environment. The chicken that I used in my makhni today was from Beechridge Farm, which is a small family-run business, and you could really tell this is the best quality. The word makhni means butter, so it's a butter chicken. It's a traditional Punjabi dish, so you'll find it in places like Delhi, in Punjab, really popular. Now in this dish, I've put my own spin on it, so it's the Dipna Express version. It would usually take about 2 to 3 hours to cook the dish, but we've made it within 35 minutes, still packing it full of that authentic flavour, just expressing the method up a little bit, so proper Dipna style. My restaurant, The Brilliant in Southall, has been open now for 45 years. Our history dates back to 75 years. My grandfather opened the first brilliant restaurant and a nightclub and hotel in Kenya, Nairobi. So our dishes are very Punjabi with a bit of a Kenyan slant as well.